Hi, it's time for another unboxing video. Before I show it off, I need to tell you a little bit about the Graphic Artists Guild. The Guild is an organization that fights for the rights of working artists as well as educating them. One of the ways it does that is through what it's best known for, the Handbook of Pricing and Ethical Guidelines, or as we like to call it, the PEGs. If you're anything like me, you got out of art school, and even though you thought you knew everything you needed to know to kick ass as an artist, you suddenly realize that you missed a few important classes and you've been struggling to learn about business ever since. This is where the PEGs help you. It covers all of the basics, as well as showing you all the average prices for whatever service you may provide, as well as giving you boilerplate for just about every form you could possibly need. Anyway, the best thing about the PEGs is that if you join the guild, you get one free. The point I'm making is I've been in the guild for over 10 years now, and the 16th edition just came out, and I can't wait to see how it looks. So let's get to it. They have these really tough copper staples here to make it a challenge. Anyway, here it is. Gorgeous cover. Even more content than the last few times. We are up to .479 pages, and it looks great, and I can't wait to read what is new.